Hi friends, so welcome back to my channel AJ Travel and Aquarium. So today I'm back and I'll be talking about the fish food. It's one of the popular topics which people search about, like what food is right for your fish and all. So first of all, let me tell you that any food, any type of food is actually good, but the thing is what type of fishes you're keeping. It depends, like which kind of food you are giving it to them. So first of all, I'm talking about food which is actually preferable for the cichlid variety, which is like discus and angels, tetras, because most of the fishes, they don't come up to eat food and all. They like to eat it from the bottom and food to reach them. Those are called sinking pellets. So here is one of the product, tetra bits. A lot of products are available. If you see the portion, it's pretty small, and once you put it in your aquarium, it will just start sinking from top to bottom, and fishes will eat it. So this is specifically for fishes, those who like to eat food from bottom, or they don't want to come up and they are not too active, because if you put just like floating food, all the active fishes will go up and eat it. Second is Tubifex worms, which I use. So I give this to my fish. These are like dried worms, freeze dried worms. They actually come in a sachet, but I have put them in a airtight container, so that they don't catch any bad bacteria or anything like that. So this is one of the product which keeps your fish happy, because they all, like we eat different type of foods, and on weekends we love to eat food from outside or something like that. So this is a non-veg product for my fishes. Next I use is this red parrot, because I have been using this product from long time, because this particular product gives your if you read over here, it's clearly mentioned color enhancing product. So this particular food is a floating, so when I put it, I just mash it sometimes, because I also have some guppies in my tank, and they do give babies. So the guppy fry, they can't eat the big pellets, so I crush the food and then put it in my tank. So this is a floating food, again color enhancing, specifically for used for the red parrots and all, but I used to have it earlier as well. Next I have is Goldie color from Serra again. So these are green color floating pellets, and again they give vibrant color to your fishes. So first of all, let me clear one thing. Before I clear that, let me show you another food which I'm using. This is the Optimum, and it's mentioned over here, the mini pellets. All these foods are really good. They don't make your water cloudy and all. So let me tell you, first of all, you don't have to buy all these expensive foods which I'm talking about. If I talk about this one, this is really cheap, like 50 rupees sachet or 60 rupees sachet, depending on your location. And this one is a bit expensive, and Serra, these two, everybody knows these products from Serra are also expensive. But now I talk about this Optimum. This doesn't cost much. If you are lucky enough and you have a good wholesaler near your place or anything, so you can get this food at a very cheap cost. I'll mention the link and the pricing, everything in the description. So you don't have to, it's not necessary to give vibrant color and to keep your fish healthy. You always have to give these expensive foods. Even if you buy normal food, like I showed you the freezed worms and the Optimum food, this particular product is not very expensive. So even if you are just feeding your fishes on time, and they are consuming your food on time, and you're not overfeeding them, and fishes are happy, they will get their optimum color and the vibrant colors which are actually required. How much to feed question comes into the picture. So just give, what I do is I stand near my aquarium, whenever I'm feeding my fishes, I just put food, small amount. Once that is done, I put some more amount, then done. If you are giving very small amount, then you can feed your fishes 3 times a day. Otherwise 2 times a day is a very good option for the ones, those who do not have enough time to spend on their aquarium. So just give it for the one time in the morning, one time in the evening, and before you switch off the lights, and that's all. That's it. So this was about the food and what all I give. We also have other multiple options. People, those who are keeping African breeds, they also do give shrimps and all. I also used to give it to them, but when I had arowana and other fishes, but right now these are the foods which I am using. Okay, so if you like the information, please like my video and please support my channel with a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.